Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. This is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more latest ideas of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in bob. Ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. This type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, crop haircut. Some ideas with bang. In bob cut, two-sided bang. Many much more ideas of bang you see in this video. Stylish ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Very attractive ideas of burgundy hair dye. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. So attractive, funky colors. So attractive and charming ideas of highlights in blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde with dark base color. Ideas of highlights, burgundy color with dark base color, and some ideas funky colors with light base color. Full ideas of hairstyling. Hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, spiky hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and many much more ideas of trendy hairstyling in bob for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video with your friends, your family members, and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And please share it your all over social media accounts. I hope you do it. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.